How to upload an index file to your site using FileZilla. Open the FileZilla client. Enter the host name in the host field. It is your domain name. Now enter a username in the username field and password into the password field. You can use your cPanel username and password as your FTP user and password. You may leave the port field empty if your login information doesn't specify a specific port to use. Now click the Quick Connect button. In the Server pane, double-click the public HTML folder. In the Local pane, which displays the local files on your computer, go to the folder where you have your index file. First, right-click the index file and then click the Upload option. Now you can see the uploaded index file in the Server pane. Now you know how to upload an index file to your site using FileZilla. Thank you for watching.